Hello, I'm Sri from CPTU. CPTU presents a course on Amazon Web Services. Section Amazon Cloud Search. Amazon Cloud Search is a fully managed service in the AWS cloud that makes it easy to set up, manage, scale a search solution for your website or application. With Amazon Cloud Search, you can search large collections of data such as web pages, document files, forum posts, or product information. You can quickly add search capabilities without having to become a search expert or worry about hardware provisioning, setup, and maintenance. Amazon Cloud Search will automatically provision the required resources and quickly add rich search capabilities to your website or application. Some of the benefits are it is simple to configure and manage. Amazon Cloud Search is highly scalable for all search domains. Amazon Cloud Search provides automatic monitoring and recovery for your search domains. It's reliable as it provides automatic monitoring and recovery for your search domains. Simplicity, scalability, and reliability comes with high performance. Amazon Cloud Search ensures low latency and high throughput performance. It's fully managed custom search service. Amazon Cloud Search supports powerful search features like autocomplete suggestions, field weighing, geospatial search, highlighting, and support. It's cost effective as you pay only for the resources you use, and it's secure. Amazon Cloud Search is secure as it uses strong cryptographic methods to authenticate users and prevent unauthorized access to your domains. Amazon Cloud Search supports HTTPS and integrate with IAM to control access to the AWS resources. Amazon Cloud Search is covered under free tier usage. You can try Amazon Cloud Search for free. Get 750 free hours of fully functional search instances for 30 days. You can create and configure a search domain with few clicks, upload data and search update requests via console, AWS SDK or CLI. These are the featured customers, and list is exhaustive. Pricing. Pay only for what you use. There are no setup fees or upfront commitments to begin using Amazon Cloud Search. You upload data and send search update requests via console using AWS SDK or CLI. Customers are billed according to their monthly usage as per the below metrics. Such instances, document batch uploads, index document requests, and data transfer. Let us take a demo. Let us create and configure an Amazon Cloud Search domain, upload data to Amazon Cloud Search for indexing, search your Amazon Cloud Search domain, and finally delete your Amazon Cloud Search resources. Sign into the console. This is AWS Management Console. Cloud Search is under Analytics. This is Amazon Cloud Search Console. Amazon Cloud Search manages all the server resources needed to build and deploy search indexes. Using Cloud Search is simple as 1, 2, 3. Create and configure a search domain, upload the data you want to search, and send search requests to your domain. Let us create a new search domain. Our demo is based on the AWS Developer Guide, which provides a sample dataset of 5,000 popular movie titles that you can download and examine. Upload to your search domain, submit search queries to see how Amazon Cloud Search works. As a prerequisite for this demo session, you need to have an AWS account, which enables you to access Amazon Cloud Search and other AWS services. Let us create a new search domain. A search domain is collection of data and create a separate search domain for each collection of data you want to make it searchable. With a search domain, we configure the index, search options, submit data for indexing, and perform searches. Let us give a name to the search domain. Let us say CB Movies. Preparing our domain for large volume of data, traffic, desired instance type, you can use the default. Desired replication count, let us go with the default. Partition count is for the large instance type. Let us go with the default. Continue. This is a 5-step process. We are in step 2, configure index. Let us use a predefined configuration. We have these options: analyze sample files from local machine or from Amazon S3 or from DynamoDB, or manually you can configure. Let us go with the predefined configuration and load configuration for indexing IMDb movies demo. You can also manually configure the index. Let us go with the predetermined configuration. Continue. The suggested index configuration is shown here, and we can edit these as required. Let us go with suggested index configuration. Continue. Set up access policies to authorize or block IP addresses. Add one or more access policy rules. We have these options: section suggester service, allow all document service, allow open access to all services, allow access to all services from specific IPs, deny access to all services. Let us select search and suggester service. So effect allow principal AWS star. This is the policy script. The recommended rule allows access to the search endpoint from all IP addresses. Let us go with this policy and click continue. This is the search domain. Let us review our configuration. These are the options that were selected. Access policies allow search and suggest service for everyone. Let us confirm. Our search domain is created. It will take around 10 minutes to initialize. Once the domain is initialized and ready, we can upload the documents and send search queries. Click OK. Status of the search domain is loading as it is being initialized. Until the domain is ready, we cannot upload documents or run searches. Once the domain is ready, the status will change to active and ready for use. This is Cloud Search dashboard. Once the domain is ready, then we will upload the data to Amazon Cloud Search for indexing. The data must be in the JSON or XML format. The Amazon Cloud Search console can automatically convert CSV format or text format to the required format. The sample IMDb movies data that we are going to use is already formatted in JSON. This is dashboard and we have not uploaded any documents. This is the domain status. Access policies are being processed. Once the domain is ready, we can see all these options. Once the domain is active and ready for use, then these upload documents will be active. We can upload documents to this domain from S3 or your local file system. Our search domain is active and is deployed on one instance. It has 11 index fields and this is the search point. Through this endpoint, you submit search requests to this domain. Document endpoint, domain Amazon resource name, and this is based on the engine type Cloud Search 2013 API. Refresh. Upload documents is active now. Let us upload documents. Select the data you want to upload. It can be from local disk or from Amazon S3 or from DynamoDB. Let us go with predefined data, that is IMDb movies sample data. Continue. This is the status about our data. Our data has 5,000 documents containing these fields: actors, directors, rank, title, and year, these fields. This is optional, but if you want to see how data is formatted, we can download the generated document batch. Let us click. This is the script still loading. Let us upload these documents to send the data to our domain for indexing. Sending documents to our search domain. There was an error in uploading the documents. Let us try again. Let us load sample data. Continue. Upload. Now the documents were sent to our search domain. Upload results. Status success and adds 5,000 documents. Let us click finish. We can run a test search here itself. So Cloud Search is indexing our documents. Searchable documents are 2434. Yeah, all the 5,000 documents are indexed and ready for search. We can run a test search here itself. Our search domain is active and it has 5,000 searchable documents. We can submit the search request directly to our search endpoint from any web browser. Let us search for a Star Wars movie. These are the results, and we got the results in no time. So fast. For the search, we have the options. It can be simple, structured, Lucene, or Dismac with the multiple keywords and or combination. Searchable fields. Allowed operators are these. You can do the sorting. Let us search for 2011. One movie, Zero Dark 30. The search has exhaustive options and you can test all the options. By default, Amazon Search sorts the search results according to the automatically generated relevance score. Results are displayed in descending order and you can change it to ascending as well. You can get facet information and highlight information within search results. You can get familiar by playing with these menu options. You can do the exhaustive search by playing with all the options that are available. You can compare the expressions. These are Cloudwatch metrics monitoring for our domain. These are successful requests in the last 1 hour. Period is 1 minute. You can change the period. You can check average statistics. Searchable documents. Complete 5,000 records. And configure domain. This is the access policy we have. Section suggestor service, allow all document service. We can modify this to suit our business needs. Availability options for our search domain. We can enable multi-availability zone option provisions and maintain extra instances for our search domain in the second availability zone for high availability. The default option of multi-availability zone is off and we can turn it on. Indexing options. We can define our index fields. Cloud Search will automatically scale our domain up or down based on the volume of data and traffic, maintaining the desired instance type, partition count, and replication count. Suggesters. Suggestions are based on the contents of a particular index field. Amazon Cloud Search searches the text field for the prefix and returns the list of matching documents. We can add a suggester. These are expressions. We can add an expression here. Analysis schemes control how contents of the text fields are processed during indexing. We can add a scheme. So you can manage the tags. You see the power of Amazon Cloud Search. It's really powerful. AWS team has done a wonderful job in simplifying data analysis job. It's all about the cloud search. As a final step, when you don't need the search domain anymore, clean up the resources. Delete the domain to incur any additional usage fees. Deleting a domain deletes the index associated with the domain. Click on delete domain. Deleting a domain deletes the index associated with the domains and takes the domain's documents and search endpoints offline permanently. Click OK. So this is a survey. For the great service offered by the AWS, let us participate in the survey. Close. So delete in progress. I'd like to provide my feedback. Our search domain is deleted. Some of the screenshots. This is Amazon Cloud Search console. Upload documents. Document format. Delete domain. Domain under deletion process. That's about the Amazon Cloudwatch. Thanks for watching.